Welcome to Da Nang and welcome 2025. Happy New Year, everyone. Those are the tourist streets of Da Nang, Vietnam. And there's this huge sign that says it, My An Ward, Da Nang City. Those are the tourist streets, the An Thuong area. And let's check out what's new in here. We have beautiful snakes all over. And they look very cute though. And beautiful flowers everywhere. As you can see here, the Vietnamese New Year decoration is still up. It's day number 4 or something. And it's most likely done by Monday. So those are the streets in the morning on the weekend when everyone went out last night. I'm gonna make a nightlife video soon, so don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Actually, I'm gonna do a real nightlife video where I'm gonna go to all clubs in the city center as well. And I'm gonna have a good night out, so subscribe for this already. What's going on here? There's a new Indian restaurant. Lots of Indian restaurants right now. The Chevy Bar, very popular sports bar. And this is the Chan Bac Dan Street. This street goes all the way to Santra. You can follow the street very long. And then you will end up the whole another part of the city. So that's why it's also Chan Bac Dan, and it is between An Thuong 1 and An Thuong 2, okay? So some people, including me, always thought that would be An Thuong 2 because that's the next parallel street, and all the An Thuong 1 to 14 or something usually are parallel street to parallel street. But then there is a little break with those big main roads. And the pharmacy is still closed. So not everything is open yet, guys. So you have to be really cautious if you want to come to Da Nang in the start of the year. You should be aware of the Lunar New Year, the Vietnamese Tet New Year's festival. It goes at least 5 days, and most of the stores are closed. The Western stores are still open. You will have issues getting cash out. And if you go here, okay, guys, so many people lose their cards here, probably 100 a week at least. So I hear it too often, because this ATM gives you cash and then it takes 1 or 2 minutes to get the card out again. Some people just walk away and then they forget it, and it comes out, the next comes in, sees the card, and if it's not a bad person, they will bring it to the hotel. So if you look out for the hotel, your card, you lose your card, go to the hotel behind. It's most likely there. I'm wondering how many credit cards they have on the reception. And Puppies is, I think, I'm not sure if they're open. It looks open. That would be great. I kind of miss that pizza. They have this special, I'm not a pizza guy, but they have this special pizza, what is basically just a flatbread, then they put salad on top, caramelized onions, bacon, and ricotta. Ricotta? I think ricotta is the name. Yeah, this one cheese, beautiful. Oh, I really like it. It's not a real pizza, but very tasty. And you wrap it around and oh, nice. Let's see if Marcus is here. I don't know, I don't think so. Is Marcus here? Marcus is here every day, this guy. I'm not making this up. I'm just come from the beach walk and just wondered if Marcus is sitting here again. And he does. He does. Good morning and Happy New Year.
Good morning, Houston.
Hi, Gunnar. How are you? Those are the Germans here, always sitting around, you know,
Nice weather.
keeping the streets safe, you know.
Yeah.
All right.
All the rules.
Bye bye, Marcus. Look at this. big tour group going all the way to Sea Lounge again, I think. Those buses are so annoying. They usually park on the streets right before the restaurant, and then sometimes there's a huge traffic jam. And they don't leave, they just stay there. I think they should just come, put everyone out, and then go somewhere to a bus parking a little bit further out, but not directly in this main tourist place. As you can see here, the trash is on the floor. It's also not nice. But the rats have to eat something too, right? Even though I don't even see that many rats, to be honest here. Like here on those streets, I think there are some rat dogs, okay? Rat dogs. And those dogs, they're literally, yeah, look at this. They keep the streets safe. They bark at you. If you walk around with a dog, they try to attack. But also, they kill those rats. So the rats, they don't have a chance here. But on the beach, there's actually, sometimes there are rats at night. That's what I see. The Concove is open. It's interesting. Outpost is also open, the hostel. Hello! And this building is getting higher and higher. It's very nice. Can't wait to check out the hotel when it's done. I think it's gonna be looking very pretty. I saw a picture, and if they also rebuild this pavement here, it's gonna be very, very nice. Very good addition to the street. I hope I can get some coffee right now. My local coffee shop, where I always buy my coffee, in a bottle, hopefully it's open, because yeah, lots of places are still closed, but I can already see some people sitting there. Hopefully they will sell me something. So I just talked with Marcus, and he said he actually enjoyed the time, the TED holidays here, because it was nice and quiet. But he also said he went to a Korean barbecue and they paid 10% more and had no one to cook their meat, so they had to do it themselves. So he said the meat was very good, but it was, I think, 3.4 million for 5 people, which is okay if the meat is good, but usually you want to have it cooked by someone. All right, let's check it out here. Okay guys, so I'm getting an envelope here. Oh my God, okay, thank you so much. Oh, nice. All right guys, I think I made money now. And I got my coffee. Thank you, come on. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Nice. I've got my bottle. I paid 30% more, but let's see how much money I got in my envelope. Okay guys, so I made 20,000 dong in my envelope. Can you imagine? So I paid 30,000 dong extra because it's TED holidays, but I made 20 back. So I only paid 10,000 dong more. Beautiful. Yeah, I like that. But yeah, a very nice family. I always go there since I live in Da Nang. I go there, so they know me. But I don't sit there usually, because sometimes it's a little bit busy and it takes a little bit too long. But I love their coffee. It's also a coffee I cannot recommend you guys, because the coffee is so bloody strong. It's like, if I have a little bit too much, I get an anxiety attack. It's bitter, it's black, it's very dark, intense. It's just like syrup. So yeah, it's my favorite to start the day. If you are like me, maybe it's something for you. Just go there, try it out, have one little sip. But don't be surprised if they give you a black coffee, and the black coffee is just so little inside, okay? Because you do not want to have a lot of them. They give you a little bit with ice on purpose, because it's very strong, guys, very, very strong. I would say one little cafe denda is maybe like 4 espresso, 4 espressi. So actually I want to check out if my gym is open. I just walked completely wrong here. I want to see if my gym is open because I really have to go to the gym. Those Malaysian Chinese New Year celebration dinners in Malaysia were so much. Very delicious. And they have this crazy prosperity salad. It's so delicious, and you check out my video on my main channel. I did a whole video about that. But for the last 4 days in Malaysia, or 5 days in Malaysia, I ate so much. And I definitely have to go to the gym now. I'm gonna do a lot of walks, so stay tuned, subscribe. I'm gonna do a lot of walks because I gotta get rid of those kilograms. The summer season is starting soon, and you gotta be prepared. So let's see if the gym here on the side, the An Sports Center, is already open, or if they have a sign there which says when they're open again. Also, very interesting stuff. Very interesting. This is a brand new apartment building. Marcus already asked, and they have only studios, and they only had one left 2 weeks ago when they opened. One left, and it was 11 million for a studio, but it's brand new, very good location. But yeah, $440 for a studio. Huh. Definitely on the higher side for studios, because studios are usually should be like 200, 300 for studio. So what's going on over here? There we go. There you see it. Resume as normal. Available for gym and pool. So they will open on 3rd. As you can see here, close at 1 p.m. on Saturday on the 25th. And they're gonna be all the way closed until the 3rd of February. So you have to know that too. Okay. So I have 2 more days and then I can go back to the gym. That's very good. You can see here all local businesses are closed, but also it's very early. Maybe that's why, but generally you see the streets are very calm. Not many motorbikes. Many people are still at their family's place. It's also morning, but still, even in the mornings, it should be more motorbikes, more people driving around. But it's just like if people coming from the outskirts of Da Nang, the Guangnam area, or the villages around Da Nang, they will all go back to the families, so they will not gonna be here. And usually people who work here are usually also people who live here, or their family is here. So this is also a brand new apartment building, guys. Interesting. They just finished this up, but there's no rent sign. Maybe it's a private building. Huh. And another building, look at this. This is also brand new. They worked now for 6 months on those 2 buildings, and it already is up. So you can see here 6 stories. Looks pretty nice, but there is no for rent sign or something. There's a lock on there. I don't think they're open yet. But it might be a very, very interesting place because the balcony and everything looks very modern. Or it's just a private building. Because I actually saw a lot of those buildings and there's just one family living there. Because many people all around the country just bought a lot of small pieces of land here, and now they start building it. They're building those huge towers, but just for their own family, maybe as a summer residency. So, pretty interesting. Here, Emma's Bar. Not sure if they're open right now, but there's no sign that they're not open. So I think they should be open later in the evening. So usually, if a store is closed, they will have a sign out there and telling you how long they're open, how long they're closed, and when they're open again. But yeah, if you are a business in Da Nang, you can make a lot of money right now if you're open. And I see so many Western places, because all Western places are pretty much open, but they charge extra. Just like but my coffee place also charges extra, so it's very interesting. But it's 30% extra. But it's fine. They're there. I'm very happy for that. I'm very happy I can have my coffee. I'll gladly pay 30%. And then I get a envelope. Can you imagine that? How beautiful. I think I should go later back and give them an envelope too. I think they're a little bit older than me. So, but yeah, it's beautiful here. The sun is out. It's very zen. Mornings in Da Nang are just so beautiful. This is An Thuong 5. As you can see here, I'm wondering if the co-working space is open or not. This banh mi store is open. All right, guys. Here's the other sign of the An Thuong area. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out this video. Also, I did an arrival guide. Check this one out too. Very important if you just arrived to Da Nang. It's in the description. I put it in the description. Have a good day and Happy New Year.